Engineers are like builders, but instead of bricks and cement, they use data and code. They are the masterminds behind artificial intelligence. These tech wizards design, test, and refine the complex algorithms that power AI. It's a bit like teaching a computer how to learn, think, and even make decisions, just like us. Without engineers, AI would remain a fantasy, confined to the pages of science fiction novels. Engineers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. They are the ones who are making AI smarter, faster, and more efficient. It's a challenging field, but the possibilities are endless. They are shaping the future, one line of code at a time. AI is often portrayed in movies as sentient beings capable of taking over the world. However, the reality is far more grounded. AI in its current form is a powerful tool, but it's not about to launch a robot revolution. AI excels at specific tasks like playing chess or translating languages. But it lacks the general intelligence and common sense that humans possess. AI can process vast amounts of data and identify patterns that humans might miss, making it incredibly useful in fields like healthcare and finance. But it's crucial to remember that AI operates within the boundaries we set. It learns from the data we feed it, which means it can inherit our biases if we're not careful. The true potential of AI lies in its ability to augment human capabilities, not replace us entirely. It's about collaboration, not competition. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's deeply intertwined with our daily lives. Remember those personalized recommendations